I spent most of my childhood and teenage years in Toowoomba. It's a town west of Brisbane, nicknamed the Garden City, with more than 150 parks and gardens and an annual Carnival of Flowers. Growing up, I often participated, even joining in the parade. Brisbane has opened many doors for me, but in the end, I still sometimes miss Toowoomba. I miss the smell of the parks in spring, walking or driving past the front yards of the many residents who competed for the most stunning displays, the tremendous effort put in each year for a fleeting piece of art. As a body painter, I know there is much beauty in the temporary, whether in a melting ice sculpture, the wilting arrangements of the Toowoomba Carnival of Flowers, or in my case, the hours of work scrubbed off in the shower. I keep my old hometown spirit of short-lived works of art in mind, especially when people say that makeup should look natural, enhance features only, and I'm better off painting on a canvas. Home is where the heart is, but I think we keep a little bit of all our homes that we have resided in our own hearts, wherever we go.